In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Spotify app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so this is the Spotify app we want to download. Let me take you through the process. First, I'll uninstall the app, and to get this app, you need to go to Google Play Store if you're on Android smartphone like me, or App Store if you're using an iPhone. So I'll go to Play Store, and then using search bar here, just search for your app by name. If you don't see this search bar on top, you should see a search icon. Just tap on it, and this will activate search for your app by name. Here it is, and now I'll run. And now if I tap on it, we can install our app from here. I'll just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Apple Music and Podcast app, and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open here, or if you go to your phone, you should be able to see your Spotify app here. Now open it and start enjoying listening to music or podcasts using this app. So that's how you can install the right Spotify app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.